Hello everybody. So today is the Macy's Last Act haul, the one I told you I had stuff in the back of the closet and I didn't know it was back there. A couple of these items you may have seen, I'm not sure. I just got a bunch of stuff jumbled up. So let me show you the first thing. So it's this shirt. And I got this during the summer. And where is the price? Where is the price? Did I take the tag off? I might have taken the tag off this. So I don't see what the price is, but this was Macy's Last Act. Let me tell y'all, today, matter of fact, I just came from Macy's Last Act with my daughter. And the one that I usually go to that have all the low price stuff, their prices done went up. They have another one near my area. I went there 2 weeks ago. Their stuff was high. And another one, like they're clearing the stuff out, like maybe they're going to stop it. So I don't know how long that store's going to last with the prices and stuff. Unless I see something different, I'm going to go somewhere else. I love their clothes, but I'm looking for a bargain, y'all, when I go. So I got this New York shirt. And the brand is called Grayson Threads. And I paid $4.93 for this. Just something cute to wear with some jeans. Yeah, I was surprised. I'm like, the heck? Y'all done went up on the prices. I know these stores got to make a profit, but I was doing good. I'm glad I got my stuff when I did, because I was doing good there. Now they want to switch up like that on us. If it's just going to be regular Macy's, then make it that. But all this, let me shut up. I got these leggings. And these were $2.93. So the next shirt I have, I think I paid a little more for this, which I don't know why. But it's not super high, so it's not too bad. And it's this shirt here. I know it's wrinkled up, y'all. I had that stuff in that closet, in that bag. And this was $7.97. So that's a good deal too. Yeah, today we saw stuff $20, $30, and the stuff that they had was a little bit cheaper. It was just a bunch of junk, honestly. It really was. I was so disappointed. Not that I wanted to specifically buy anything. I just like to see consistent pricing. This item here, I forgot. I got this from Burlington. Let me show you. I got from Burlington. And this is not even for the fall or winter. I just happened to see it at Burlington and I said, let me pick this up. This is a long white vest. It's long. It's really long. I'm saving this for when the spring and summer come back in. And that was $9.99. I have one item in here. I may have probably showed it before. And it was thrifted. Show that. I have a feeling I showed this already, but I'm going to show it to you again. It's this shirt here. Ooh. It's long and it has bell sleeves. And I think I showed it because I don't see no price on it. Yeah. This is very pretty. I got that to wear with some slacks or some black leggings. And I got boots in 2 of these colors. Boots in these colors. So that is cute. This next shirt is cute. And it's made by, I never heard of this company. It's called Cure. And it's this one. It's from Macy's last act. Or backstage. And the price is $9.98. You see how the prices are going up, y'all? Usually I would get this for $2 or maybe $4.95 at the most. What I'm trying to say, y'all, when you see stuff, you better get it because they switching up on us. They are switching up on us. This shirt here I got from Macy's last act. And it's just a regular, like, thermal striped shirt. I like shirts like this. Give you a nice clean look. And I got some blue sneakers to wear with it. Y'all, for the longest I had stopped wearing sneakers, and I'm back to it because the comfort. Being older, you need stuff that's comfortable shoes. I am stuttering. This was $1.93. Okay, that was a good buy. Y'all, it's getting cold here. This is an early fall. There's storms all over the place. During the summer, it was not raining much. We needed the rain too. Okay, I got this one, and it's from Alignerco. And this is the camouflage thermal shirt from Macy's last act. And this was $3.96. That's a great buy. And I already have some cute boots to go with that too. You know what, y'all that's been watching me for a long time, you know, I buy more tops than anything. And that's because if you don't have a lot of pants, you can switch up. I have a nice amount of pants, but I want some more dress pants. But I have a lot of jeans and leggings and stuff like that. I may have showed this top. This top is just for around the house. Because it's a boring little top. Not little, big top. A boring big top. What is this? You know, sometimes you just lounging around the house. And I could go out in it to a store or something. And it was, where is it? Where's the tag? This is made by QPO Woman. Never heard of it. And it was $2.96. Here's another shirt I may have showed you. This is from Macy's last act also. But I'm going to have to do all the stuff that I showed you before. I got to take the tags off. That way I won't be confused. And it's this crisscross type top here. And sizing seems pretty big. It's a 3X, but it feels like a 4X. But it feels so good, y'all. And it's not super fancy, but it looks cute on. And where is my tag? There it is. $4.97. And let me see the brand. Absolutely Famous. I never heard of that brand. Okay, we got 2 more items. No, 3 more left. Okay. Like I'm missing my shirt. I missed my shirt. I got a plain sweatshirt. And this is for around the house. So if I run out to the store, my jeans and my sneakers and my jeans and boots. And just this thing here. You know how a t-shirt looks. It's plain back, it's just plain. It's a good quality though. This is Karen Scott Sport. I have a lot of those her clothes. Where's the tag, y'all? Where is the tag? Thought I felt it, now I can't find it. Now, I think I found it now. Or did I? That's not it. Oh well, I don't know what happened to the tag, y'all, but I'm sure it's no more than $5 or $2. So here's another one that has it's a sweatshirt and it has flowers in it. And something else just to be comfortable in and take it easy around the house. And it's nice and warm. And this is Karen Scott, and it was $4.93. So more than likely that other one is probably the same price. My last item I'm not sure why I brought it. It was catching my eye. I liked the brand and I tried it on. I could have got a size a little bit bigger, but this is cute, but it may not be it, okay? It may not be it. So I like Charter Club clothes. The reason why they're expensive and they feel expensive, and I got this dress here, y'all. Don't laugh, don't laugh. And it comes at my knee. I love this green. I love green and white. I like blue and white, black and white. I just don't know for sure. I tell you one thing, I'm gonna wear it, but I'm gonna show you how things went up some. It was $14.93. Okay, and usually I don't pay that much there for stuff, but I said for a Charter Club, that's pretty good. Now let me show you the original price, if I can see it. Okay, if you look real good, it says the original price was $69.50. So that still is still. It's great material. Charter Club is a nice expensive brand, and I will have this a long time. But I think next time I get anything from them, you know, they have a signature look like this blue and white around and stuff. But next time I'm going to get the plainer one, either the blue or the red or something like that. But her sister's going to wear this. She may look a little silly. You know how you buy things and you start having like second thoughts about it, but I'm going to wear it. So yeah, that is it. I don't know if it's going to be any more hauls unless I find something else that I done socked away somewhere. I hope you enjoy this haul. Please comment, share, subscribe. If you like these kind of videos, please let me know. Okay? So I will talk to you all later. I love y'all so much. Talk to you later.